Hello, friends. Time is a vital element that links the present with both the past and the future. We have no control whatsoever on what is already past. It's gone. And we have very little control in the future, only to the extent of what we can plan for and what we can prepare for, but we can't predict it. The only control we have is on the present, and therefore, really speaking, we live in the present. So, in tip number 24 today, let's create happy and fond memories for others. This way, we will be making the present more pleasing in our environment. What happens in life is that in a hurry to achieve whatever we aim for, we forget that all the living is actually happening in the present. The past is a memory, the future is yet to come. So, our conduct must be conducive to creating happiness around us, both for ourselves and for others. We have to find ways of forming wonderful, happy, cordial relationships. We have to be sure that we have influencing skills. We influence others, and whether we lead our teams or in our families, we are respectful, honorable, and smile-inducing people. Now, this is a skill that can be learned. Just imagine that if you see a boss who keeps raising his voice at the smallest underperformance of a team, or a parent who keeps saying undemeaning things to the children for any underperformance or any behavior which you didn't like, or you find people who are just being harsh to others or acting them down. Those are the behaviors that we need to curtail, right? Happiness, you must realize, is not a destination, it's a journey. Let us enjoy every bit, every moment of the journey, every portion of that journey, right? Be a pleasant person, be a helper, be a facilitator, be an enabler, so that you create happy people and happy memories around you. And happy people will perform better. And therefore, you as a time creator will be able to create more time, because people around you will not negate your efforts. They will also support you with their time optimization. And therefore, a time creator must understand that the environment around him and how he is responsible for creating that environment also adds to your time optimization. So, what is the action? Action is now again in your notebook. Write down at least 5 things that you can identify where your conduct is not as good as it should be to create happiness around you, and see how you can improve it. And if you feel there's nothing like that, see where you can make it better than what it is right now, right? And then start taking some baby steps to implement what you have written down. So, thank you for watching. This is your own time brigadier, and you're watching the 51 time investment protocols and strategies. See you tomorrow in tip number 25. Until then, please keep sharing your comments, your views, and your ideas, as we want to see as we are going from one tip to the other. We are almost at the midway because we are doing 51 tips, and we want to see more reactions. We want to see more comments. Thank you very much and see you tomorrow.